This is Lynn Reuter. Welcome, Lynn.
Hello, thanks for having me.
So, Lynn, I would like you to just take a moment and introduce yourself and what you do here at the school, and then take it away from there, okay?
As Shellie said, my name is Lynn Reuter. I am an early learning administrator in a school district. I participated in one of her workshops as a part of a leadership retreat at the beginning of the school year. To be honest, wasn't quite sure what to expect, but quickly realized that this was my jam and I wanted to learn more. And so there were a lot of eye-opening moments for me for further reflection as we moved forward throughout the morning, and then that I've continued with since we met.
Okay, great. And so, what did it mean to you personally by attending the workshop? Not like you had a choice, but you knew you were going to be here. What did it mean to you as we got into the processes?
I think I was open to the workshop. Being in a school setting, there's high stress, high demands, and I knew that I needed to be thinking about how I managed my work-life balance differently. And so I thought of it as an opportunity to kind of begin that journey. And it was at the start of the school year, so it just naturally fed into that journey that I was taking for myself. And so I was open to the process. And I think I quickly learned that there were some things that I hold on to that I need to let go of, and the importance of my own personal energy in this work and how I allow the energy of the people around me to impact my work. And so really keeping that mindset as we went through the morning was important to me, and it also helped give me tools that I continue to use today.
Okay, awesome. So was there a favorite part for you?
I think for me, on a personal level, we did a lot of whole group things, and I think one of the things was that it helped to develop trust for me amongst my team members and build those relationships. We had some new team members, so you have to go into it with the mindset of being vulnerable. But also for me, it led into some deeper aha moments of things that I was able to reflect on that I might have been holding on to that were no longer serving me. Mm-hmm. And so being able to have that space and a little bit of guidance from Shellie in that moment to help me realize like it's not mine to carry anymore was really freeing.
Nice. So this question may seem off topic, but not really.
Okay.
Because community is everywhere. Community with your peers, community in your family, community in your direct community out in the world, and then there's the world community, right? So what do you consider is completely bad or harmful in your area, community, that affects you?
I think one of the things that impacts me and that I reflect on, I live and work in the community that they're conjoined. So I'm very deeply connected to my work, and I'm also very deeply connected to my community. And I think one of the things for me is that trying to get away from divisiveness amongst ourselves and the families that we serve, and being able to find our spaces of commonality are so important to enriching our own lives as well as enriching our community lives. And so focusing on our spaces of commonness versus the things that divide us.
That's good. Second question, what do you consider is most liked and favorable in your area that affects you?
I think one of the things that I am most impressed in my own community, both with my family, with work, and with the neighborhood and area that I live, is the ability to identify areas of need and then bring voices to the table to move that need into something actionable. And so while there's still lots of work to do, mm-hmm. I think that when we have a solutions-focused approach to those issues, we're able to move that needle into a space that everybody benefits. And I think part of Shellie's work in that helps us as individuals to get our own mindset to a space of service and filling each other's cups while also having our own cup filled. And I think when you think about community work, you cannot do that work from an empty cup.
Yeah, that's so true. That's so true. Before we end, is there anything else you would like to share?
I would just say if you are thinking about engaging in a workshop, you absolutely should. It was a short amount of time that we invested, but I felt like for me, the dividends that I carried forward were long lasting and will continue to be long lasting. So absolutely do it.
Yeah, thank you. There will be more to come.
Okay.
I'm super excited about it. And so thank you for taking time to share your experiences.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
All right.